Welcome to Best Picks Lab. The best machine screws is probably one of the most unexpectedly essential items for any DIY enthusiast, hobbyist, or professional who frequently tackles projects involving small parts, electronics, or intricate repairs, providing an invaluable collection of fasteners that can save countless trips to the hardware store and ensure you always have the right size screw at your fingertips for seamless assembly and reliable fixes. Number 5. Jackson Palmer 2251-piece hardware assortment kit. Introducing the Jackson Palmer 2251-piece hardware assortment kit. This comprehensive set provides everything you need for any project, big or small. It's your go-to for all hardware needs. With an impressive 2,251 pieces across 62 different sizes, this kit has it all. You'll find 665 wood and sheet metal screws, plus a wide range of SAE and metric bolts, nuts, and washers. No more searching for that specific part. These components are engineered for performance, featuring grade 2 nuts and bolts. The heat-treated screws ensure professional results every time. It's designed to handle tough jobs and last. Whether you're tackling DIY home improvements or professional repairs, this kit is your ideal partner. It provides the reliability and variety needed for household maintenance and much more. Achieve professional results with ease. Say goodbye to mixed-up hardware with its innovative interlocking lid. The removable nested dividers allow for complete customization of your storage. Keeping your parts organized has never been easier. Its durable, stackable cases with locking tabs make carrying and transport effortless. You can easily add more empty bins to expand your collection as your needs grow. This system is designed for convenience and flexibility. What we like. This kit offers an incredible variety of hardware, covering wood, sheet metal, SAE, and metric needs. Its no-mix compartments and stackable cases ensure organized storage and easy transport. If you need a comprehensive, all-in-one solution for diverse DIY projects and household repairs, this extensive assortment is an excellent choice. What people say. Number 4. 304 Stainless Steel Hex Socket Bolt Kit. Crafted from premium SUS 304 steel, this kit ensures exceptional durability. It provides reliable corrosion resistance for both indoor and outdoor projects, effectively solving common rusting issues. This ultra-complete assortment contains 1440 pieces, including screws, nuts, and washers in M2 to M5 sizes. It also comes with 4 matching wrenches, ensuring you have everything you need without missing parts. Featuring a standardized button head and deep hex sockets, it ensures even force distribution. Its precise thread pitch prevents slipping and stripping, making it perfect for high-torque applications like 3D printers and drones. All 1440 pieces are neatly organized in a heavy-duty storage box with durable dividers. A clear size chart inside helps you quickly find the exact screw and thread length you need, preventing any mix-ups. It's perfect for precision instruments, RC cars, PC building, and office equipment. While highly versatile, please note it's not recommended for high-tensile automotive engines or heavy-duty construction. What we like. Crafted from premium 304 stainless steel, this kit provides superior corrosion resistance for both indoor and outdoor applications. Its high-precision threads and button head hex sockets prevent stripping, ensuring secure fastening. If you're working on precision instruments, 3D printers, or RC cars and need reliable, rust-resistant fasteners, this set is perfectly suited for your detailed projects. What people say. Number 3. NINDEJIN 880 PCS M2, M5 Stainless Steel Screw Kit. Introducing the NINDEJIN 880-piece screw, nut, and washer assortment kit. This comprehensive set provides everything you need for various fastening tasks, ensuring you always have the right component on hand. Crafted from high-quality 304 stainless steel, these fasteners offer exceptional strength and durability. They provide excellent corrosion resistance, performing reliably in high temperatures, cold weather, and humid environments. Whether you're a professional, a hobbyist, or a repair technician, this kit is incredibly versatile. It's perfect for motorcycle repairs, 3D printing equipment, communication devices, and various electronic products. All 880 pieces come neatly organized in a durable, sturdy box. Each size is individually packed in a small bag, preventing mixing during transport and making it easy to find what you need. This kit conforms to standard metric specifications, including M2, M3, M4, and M5 machine screw bolts, nuts, and washers. It provides you with a wide range of 16 different sizes to meet diverse project requirements. Inside, you'll find 880 pieces of M2, M3, M4, and M5 screws, nuts, and washers, along with 4 essential Allen keys. This comprehensive package ensures you have all the necessary tools for your assembly needs. What we like. This assortment features high-quality 304 stainless steel, offering excellent corrosion resistance in various environments. Each size is individually packed within the durable box, preventing mix-ups during transport and storage. If you value meticulous organization and require robust, rust-resistant hex socket fasteners for general repairs or specific equipment like 3D printers, this kit keeps everything neatly sorted. What people say. No reviews were provided in the source JSON to extract points from. Therefore, no positive product features can be quoted. Number 2. DYWISHKEY M2, M5 Stainless Steel Screws Nuts Washers Kit. Introducing the DYWISHKEY M2, M5 Stainless Steel Assortment Kit. These fasteners are crafted from high-quality 304 stainless steel, ensuring exceptional strength and durability. They offer superior resistance to corrosion, rust, and oxidation, even in harsh environments. Made for longevity, they withstand high temperatures, cold weather, and high humidity without compromise. This ensures a reliable and long-lasting hold for all your applications. This kit includes M2, M3, M4, and M5 Phillips pan head screws, nuts, and washers, all conforming to standardized metric systems with minimal error. The included nuts and flat washers are designed to expand the contact area, reducing pressure and protecting your parts. Their compact, uniform threads prevent deformation and slipping during installation. You might notice a weak magnetic property with these fasteners. This is a characteristic of 304 stainless steel due to its unique structural transformation, distinguishing it from other materials. All components are neatly organized in a durable, sturdy box. Each different type is individually packaged, preventing scattering and making storage and access incredibly convenient. This isn't just a product, it's a complete, organized system. This versatile assortment kit is perfect for professionals, DIY enthusiasts, landlords, and repairmen alike. It's ideal for replacing broken or missing fasteners, saving you frustration. With a wide range of sizes, it meets maximum requirements for various projects. What we like. Constructed from high-quality 304 stainless steel, this kit provides excellent corrosion and oxidation resistance for long-term use. Its Phillips pan head design is widely compatible and easy to work with for general applications. If you prefer the common Phillips drive and need a reliable, rust-resistant set for everyday household fixes or DIY projects, this assortment offers great value and durability. What people say. Number 1. DYWISHKEY M2, M5 Hex Button Head Assortment Kit. Crafted from high-quality 10.9 grade alloy steel, these fasteners offer exceptional strength. They provide excellent corrosion, rust, and oxidation resistance, ensuring long-lasting performance even in harsh environments. This kit includes M2, M3, M4, and M5 hex button head bolts, screws, nuts, and washers, all conforming to a standardized metric system with minimal error. Their compact, uniform threads resist deformation and sliding during installation, while the nuts and washers protect your components. All 12/20 pieces are meticulously organized within a durable and sturdy box. Each different type of fastener is individually packaged, preventing scattering and loss, and ensuring convenient access and storage. This comprehensive assortment kit is perfect for a wide range of applications, serving professionals, DIY enthusiasts, and repairmen alike. It's ideal for replacing broken or missing fasteners and provides a variety of sizes to meet almost any requirement. We are committed to providing you with a pleasant shopping experience. If you have any questions or need assistance, please do not hesitate to contact us anytime. What we like. This kit stands out with its 10.9 grade alloy steel construction, offering superior strength and robust corrosion resistance in challenging conditions. The hex button head design provides a clean, low-profile finish and strong torque application. If you require fasteners for applications demanding higher tensile strength and a sleek appearance, this alloy steel set is engineered for durability and performance. What people say. No reviews were provided in the source JSON to extract points from. No reviews were provided in the source JSON to extract points from. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.